Hello, I'm Nicole, the artist behind Art by Nicole, and today I'm going to play with gouache. So let's go. Okay, back in 2024, I got the Sarah Burns gouache box with Croft Tomo. It was a birthday slash anniversary slash Christmas present from my amazing husband. Um, and I didn't keep up with the boxes like I had wanted to. Um, so I'm making the most of them now. I've already done a few, but I can't make this like a tutorial because I paid for these. um, they're not they're not free. So I can't do a tutorial style paint along. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint. I am doing the fourth box, you think? Yep, box number 4. I did do the first 3, and I'll probably go back and redo them, to get practice in. So this was the first one. It was an ocean scene. It was really fun. I really enjoyed that one. And then there was this meadow. It came out This I did not do very well at all. It's a forest scene with light coming through. It is what it is. And then this one has a sky and a mountain and a valley. So that's what I'm going to work on. In this box, we got a size 18 mop brush, huge brush, and a 1/2 inch shader. We got more white gouache. You got white a couple times with this, which is really nice because white is the color you use the most. Primary black and cobalt blue. Probably gonna need to add a yellow and a red. We'll see based on the instructions. But yeah, so every month in the box you got the link for the instruction video. You got a printout, like a postcard type print of the scene. You got the gouache, the brushes, and occasionally you got a little something extra. Like the first box, we got this cute little spray bottle, and you can't see it, but it's white, like washi tape, artist tape. And you got paper. I have decided to make this sketchbook my Sarah Burns gouache sketchbook, or just a gouache sketchbook in general, because I am also a member of the gouache boot camp. I forget what she calls it, but Ruth Wilshaw, who is another fabulous gouache artist, she does a lot of fantasy type landscapes. I'm a member of her. It's not a Patreon. It's like through her website. Like she runs it herself. So I'll be doing some of those. But again, it's a pay for thing. So I think you can watch me paint. I just can't tell you how I'm painting it, I think. So that's what we're going to go with. All right, so let's put on some music and you can just kick back and relax and watch me paint, or better yet, paint along with me. If you're painting, let me know what you're painting in the comments below. I'm really curious. Whether it's watercolor, gouache, acrylic, oils, or if you're drawing, coloring, whatever, let me know. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. Here's my finished gouache painting. For reference, here's what I was trying to paint. There's what I painted. I didn't follow the tutorial instructions exactly. I kind of felt my way through it, I guess you could say. I do really like how my sky came out. It, it did come out kind of wishy-washy, like she had hers. Um, but yeah, just keep practicing. Um, the problems I kept running into, and I know it's a common problem with gouache, is the layer on top kept mixing with the layer below. So it kind of got like muddy. But I don't know. If you kind of stand back and squint your eyes, it looks like a mountain scene with a valley and a body of water. But yeah, so that's all I have for today. Um, I will be doing more videos like this in the future where it's just kind of a chill watch me paint situation because I need the practice. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.